Testing, testing. Hello, hello, hello. Hello. Ayan, meron. Ayos. So yun, I'm just checking out kung okay na ba yung internet ko. Ay medyo hindi na ako nasanay for how long, no? It's like how many days? 10 days. 10 days since nawala I haven't touched any keyboard, any internet na stable. So just today, just actually today na ano yung connection here in our village. So tinry ko lang kaagad. So wala talaga to sa plano. So testing lang. Yan. I'm sharing also this to the other groups. Wait lang. Let me just lang. Wala talaga sa plano, guys. Gusto ko lang din kayo kamustahin. And check out what's happening in the market as well. Kasi di ko rin ako nakaka-trade. Hopefully you guys are doing also, yeah. Testing, testing, testing. Testing natin testing natin. Testing, yan. Testing, testing. Okay, yun. Good evening there, yeah, Janner. Yeah, honestly, yung sa akin na part, ay yung part ko where I'm living at, medyo okay naman yung internet. With Jay, sabi kay Jay na part, medyo wala pa in even parts of the Cebu. So, merong ano pa, medyo hindi pa totally connected yung lahat ng internet connections or even the cell phones are mahirap pa yung signals. Tubig, no? Wala pang tubig dito. It's very hard, no? Medyo hard. Hindi ang malupit diyan, hindi siya masyadong na media, no? Hindi masyadong na media yung nangyayari. Especially na-focus too much on the Bohol and Cebu, Bohol and Surigao. So medyo medyo kaya matagal. Pero a good thing is the local here, medyo okay lang din. Pero yun nga lang, talagang yung hassle and everything din, talagang all of it, medyo talagang mahirap. So, first time yung mga ganitong scenario, especially on the day, yung bagyo, grabe yun. Yan. So, ano natin dito? Ilagay natin na, see you here. Testing out, testing out. Yan. So, let's just have it chill night, guys. Let's also monitor the market, or is it right now? I haven't really checked it. Okay, alam mo ba, I just need to, kailangan ko i-charge sa kotse yung Wi-Fi para makakonect ako. I'm using gasoline pag nagko-connect ako ng internet. Yeah. So, tingnan natin dito, Janner. Yeah, oh, yun, that's good. Noronia, thank you. Gem Sister, Happy New Year. Everyone stay safe as well. So, isa din yun na hopefully, guys, yung year-end natin na ano man din, but we're still planning it and preparing for it really, especially, no, we're just make possible we're gonna have it on the first week of January. Let's check kung how is it gonna be. Paano natin spread out. And the budget is still there. Yung raffle natin are still intact. Tingnan natin yung kung paano din. And also, actually daming plans. Supposedly, I actually made everything organized on supposedly yesterday. So I've talked with Sir Lloyd. Sir Lloyd also wala ring ano yun, wala rin siyang internet. Nahirap din yun. Pero nakita kami. I went to him noong 27. We bond together, we plan together, Sir Lloyd. So, good evening, Doc. I hope all sitting dyan. Welcome back. Yeah. Good evening din. Happy New Year. So for those who are requesting, yung mga request nyo sa change of EA, change of settings, we will attend to it as soon as possible. Please just request nyo ng request. We're gonna make sure na we're gonna attend to it. And also, yung mga apply for Izanagi, sorry kung wala masyadong promotions about it. The good thing about it is meron na ako. Mamaya, I'm gonna start working on it. Yan, isa rin sa mga titingnan natin yan. Isa yun. Ang pwede natin dyan. So, we're gonna make sure that ayun lang, ang make sure natin 700 users who are using Izanagi are all safe and intact. Good thing about it nga is nag-TP pa nga siya kahit papano, no? It's still doing good. So, yeah, ito din. Yung sa Valkyrie naman din, we're also okay din with it. Meron nga lang ma-affectuhan ng mga Valkyrie accounts like yung sa akin na kailangan i-rechart in everything siya ng mga, yun yung mga updates na kailangan din. Pero, good thing about it, everything's running. So far, we're scheduling kung paano natin gagawin dyan. This is money, you know? Happy New Year, Leonino. Happy New Year din, Jeff, Neva. Welcome back live. Yes, thank you. Happy New Year, everyone. Tomorrow, expect something big, no? Expect something big also here on our page as well. And all the communities then as well. No? Yan. All right. So, thank you. Kindly help me share this live para din makakaano tayo ng mga kasama natin here. So, let's check it out first. What's happening in the SPX 500? We haven't really checked it really. Kung ano nangyari. Alam mo yung feeling na yung mouse tsaka yun, no? Parang hindi familiar sa'yo. Yung keyboard. As in, yung feeling na gano'n. Hindi ka nakahawak ng gano'n. Parang so alien, you know. Anyway, the good thing about it with the current market condition is we're actually expecting it, no? Hindi naman siya Hindi naman siya something new na magbe-breakout siya kasi on the Elite Club, expected naman natin eh. Expected natin it's gonna do a high because of the Christmas rally. The question is hanggang kailan at hanggang saan? Yun lang din titingnan natin. So if we're gonna scroll it out on the short term, if you're gonna using a Fibonacci extension here, so maybe it can have a rally until 4.8 so far. Tingnan natin hanggang 4.8 here. Can rally here. Yun nga lang, kailangan nating tingnan kung hanggang dito ba talagang kaya niya. But currently, on the market condition ngayon, in the next few days, parang di yata niya abutin. It needs to correct and the market needs to retest on this area again. Good thing about it, at least nag-hold tong area na to, you know? Galing. So, yan. So, expect a not really a big profit but just a single pause. Kung tingnan yung volume, hindi masyado. The momentum is not there as well. So, possible magkaroon ng short-term pullback tonight, no? Honestly, naka-short ako ngayon sa sa Nasdaq. Naka-short ako sa Nasdaq. Until possible TP ko dito, naka-short ako sa MT4 ko. Here, hindi ko nga chine-check eh. Hirap din, no? Yan. So, naka-short ako hanggang dito. Hanggang TP ko siguro dito. Or possible here sa MA5. Also with the Nasdaq din as well. Kung titingnan nyo, meron short resistance dito. But good thing about it is nag-breakout siya eh. Yun yung magandang ginawa ng market so far. So, undecided kung dyan. But again, kung if you're part of the elite club, the good thing about it is you're prepared when to really close a lot of positions. So, once you see an opportunity to really take profit, please do make sure na mag-topic tayo. Especially on the first week of January, the second week of January. So, ulitin ko lang yung study, diba? There's a study, no? Na yung third anniversary low. So, ingat tayo doon sa part na yon. Sa yon, kailangan tingnan. So, let's check my report. Yung nangyayari dito, asing saglitan lang eh. Saglitan lang talaga. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just position trading. Position trading meaning hindi masyadong malakas yung mga times 5. Hindi ako masyadong nagta times 5. More into the times 1. At the same time, tatanggalin yung mga times 5 na yan. Pag example, yung iba dyan, example ito, Pfizer, hindi pa siya nagkaano before the drop. So, aalisin ko yan. I want it to be as much as possible conservative on the first 3 months of the year. Times 1 lang. Multiple exposure pa din ang gagawin natin. So, kung titingnan mo din, what I'm doing right now on this sport is really times 1. Nagpo-position trade na ako. Yun yung ginagawa ko. So, isa din na strategy nito was to maintain the performance. Maintain the performance. Currently I'm 83%. Medyo matatapos yung taon. I'm really targeting the 100%, but at least I managed to close it at 83% profit. I'm very grateful to that, especially on this Oracle trade. Medyo malaki tong trade na to. Here's the part pala, guys. Ito pala yung part na yon. Kwento ko lang. Ito. Before the storm, ito yung storm was around here yata, 16. Ito yung bagyo na yun. Ito yung bagyo na part na to. Nag-brand out siya 9 o'clock. Naka-open ako ng 0.5 lot shorting position dito. Tapos nag-brand out, nawala ng lahat. Nakalagay doon around 10,000 to 15,000 na isang burn account. As in, walang signal. Pagka kinabukasan, naghanap ako ng signal talaga. Naka-short ako dito. So, pagka dito, nakita ko na lang siya, nag-drop siya ng todo around this here area here, 17. Ito. So, yung profit in-indoor. Sabi ko, wow, blessing din kahit paano. So, so I was really, sabi ko, baka sunog-sunog na yung 10,000 ko to, sigurado. Sabi ko, pag nag-breakout to, walang internet, patay. Sabi ko, so yun, natsambahan. Kahit paano, may nakuha. Yun yung pinasustento ko sa sarili ko. Well, anyway, let's go back. So, there. So, may mga position currently, pero tatanggalin ko, ika-cut loss ko yung iba dito. I want to start fresh. But the good thing about it, again, position trade. Kasi, here's one insight, no? If you're also part of the elite club din, no? This is very high. This is super high. To, pakita ko sa inyo. Pakita ko sa isang data. Ayan. Shiller PE. Market statistics. Yan. Okay. Ito. Here go guys, no? Okay. Ito. Yan. Look at this. Ayan. Tingnan mo yung all-time average ni SPX 500. I'm gonna zoom this in now. No? So ito yung titingnan nyo guys, no? The Shiller ratio is actually just computing your market valuation on the PE ratio of the total market in general. So the average, all-time historical average is 17. Your total market is already almost times 3 of its price to earning ratio. So everything is really overextended, or everything is really actually majority of it is really like expensive in terms of their valuation. So one insight here that I'm actually looking at is yung nilabas na pera ng na galing sa Fed, inilagay din sa stock market. So the pressure is really the companies of the stock market in US must perform in earnings. The the problem there, the problem that actually kaya sabi ko nga nag-position trade na lang muna ako. It's because one missed earnings can really make a company drop a lot. Really make the market drop a lot. Especially magtama na isang malaking news. So the average, imagine the average is 17, but your Shiller ratio is 39, 38, 39. So it's very expensive. You're like 39 times na expensive ang overall market. So that's one na kailangan din nating tingnan in general. So medyo it's not good for the overall market. That's why the market really needs to correct. The market really needs to correct, especially on the next 3 months on the start of the year. And then, ang dami ring possible catalyst, no? Pinag-aralan natin sa Elite Club na midterm election, di ba? Dami yan. So, makikita natin sa January election. I'm studying right now na for that kasi very, very crucial yung first part of the year. So, better talaga tayo guys na kahit paano bawas-bawas, no? Pahinga din tayo, like, enjoy the profit, no? Kasi titignan mo din, even the crypto market, oh, starting to really correct a lot. Kita nyo, the bull market is really almost done. In the crypto market, tapos na yung maliligayang araw na to. Like, it needs to correct. Everything needs to correct. And especially in the crypto market, it's the same possible money that revolves on the equity market, the risk on risk off. Then, no, look at that. Ito na lang yun. Like, this is the trend break. This is a confirmation that the trend doesn't want to go this high. Ayan, no? Nag-retest na dito sa area na to. And, the market is consolidating on this area. Pag nag-breakdown pa yan, below 200. So, medyo isa yan na dapat nating nauuna na nga eh. Ito nga yung point, nauuna na nga si crypto. And, yun lang isa. Kaya, please, ingat tayo. But again, the good thing about it is do not be do not time the market too much kasi you'll never know, baka tumangat pa ng market hindi ka makasakay. Kaya I really urge everyone to really go position trading at this point. Position trading at this point, yun yung crucial dun eh. Ano yung company na bibilin mo na nasa ilalim? Ano yung company na bibilin mo na pag nag-start ulit mag-pump, whatever pump is gonna happen, yun yung isang tataas. Doon papasok talaga yung crucial na information. Kasi you cannot expect, I would not expect Tesla to be that. I would not expect if magkaroon ng drop, Tesla will be the one company na this is overvalue. And this is a trend already that confirming the high and low of this one. So, yan, no? Downtrend na, nagda-downtrend, nagko-correct siya to the low part. So, isa yan. I would not expect that Tesla. Kaya wala kang Tesla in some point. Isa yun, no? So, very, very crucial yung first 3 months natin. That's why, yun yung gusto ko talagang i-report. Siguro, at the start of that on the year after I reported in the elite club. Siguro I'll make also for the whole community as well, for us to be prepared for the next 3 months in general. So let's do that. Let's do that together. So let's check first. Yan. Welcome back. Koi, thank you. Welcome back then, Sir. Yan, Future 101. Thank you din. So let's check again the crypto market. So, yan. So ito nga, ito yung since nakikita natin. It's trading below your moving average 200. It means to say that your market is already long-term bearish, di ba? Bearish at some point. It's trading below also your RSI, you know. It's actually consolidated below 200. Let's check. Kung titignan natin historically, kailan niya ginawa yon before, no? Ayan. Ayan, tingnan mo ha, kailan niya ginawa yun. Ito, ginawa niya dito around December 2019, no? 2019 is trading below, consolidating around 67,000 level. After 13,000, nag-drop ng todo. Then nag-reverse. No? Nag-reverse on this area. Around 2 years after. 1 year after. Then nag-drop, pandemic, then ulit. So nag-rally. Another one is here, 2018, nag-consolidate around 3.2. So the question is right now, sa current condition ni Bitcoin, hanggang saan yung consolidation? Hanggang saan siya mag-consolidate, no, in general. Malakas sa support ng titingnan natin is 37 to 40,000 level. Ito medyo hindi kalakasan to eh. O, di kalakasan to 46 to ano, hindi masyado. Kung titingnan niyo on the market condition niya. So yan ang sentiment dito, bearish talaga sentiment ko for the crypto for now. Let's check the other. Baka bounce trade lang. Even, no? Even napakagandang Ethereum, no? Or DeFi or Ethereum, no? No, it's trading. It's actually doing a downtrend line on the short term, breaking your long-term trend line. Below na siya lahat, even your moving average 100. So, kaya wala na akong crypto. Tinanggal ko na lahat. Even yung ADA siguro, tatanggalin ko na yun sa isang long-term, sa PI ko. Ito, crucial pa to. Nako, delikado to. Anyway, di ko pa bibili. Kaya di ako binili to eh. Itong breakout, di ko binili. Sabi ko, pangit ng overall condition. So, ayan, nagde-trading. Ito na, mayroon ng bearish move. Oh. Ito, nauna na nga to eh. Oh, yan, nauna na to. So, if you're, I'd rather short. Crypto market in general. Ano pa ba isa mga malalakas nyo? Yung isa, yung mga mana. Ito ba, mana to. Check natin to. Before we go. Yan oh. Oh, nag-false breakout pa. So, gagawin na lang ng market niyan, papasasakayin ka ng mga false breakout. That's hurrah. Nag-false breakout pa yan. No? False breakout. Tapos, boom. Yan. So, mga ganyan, mas maganda pa mag-short. Welcome back, Nico De La Cruz. Yes, thank you. Oh, by the way, link batch, ano natin yung last nyo sa first week of January. Tututukan natin yan. Ang last natin na masterclass. Yan, isa yun. Okay, so wala. Honestly, wala talaga. It's really better at this point, position trade on the stock market. Yung talagang may value. May value there. Or, if you really believe in the crypto world, then let it really, ang tama mo dyan, i-correct mo na talaga sila. Let it go to its natural course. Pag nag-uptrend siya o nag-reverse, saka ka sumakay. Kasi you're catching the falling knife. Yun yung problem kasi there. If you're really catching the falling knife, mahirap. So, wag nating gawin yun. So, even, honestly, lahat eh. Lahat ng market cap din dito. Especially ito, mga walang valuation. Diba? Lahat ng tao gusto mag-take profit. Diba? Okay. Then, nasa support. No, sa support naman siya. Good thing sa Binance, nasa support. Pero, meron din ditong downtrend. Ayun, no? Ito, correction lang din niya dito. On this level here. Ito yung trend line niya na healthy. So, kung gusto mo swallow, for this one, better na lang dito na area. Oh, patagal ko din nakahawak ng mouse. Hindi ako sanay. Good evening there, Benji Onabia. Yan. So, ingat. Wag basta-basta bibili. Wala pa tayong nakikitang full reversal. Wala pa tayong nakikitang XRP as well. Let's check. Ito, sigurado ako, wasak din to. Yun, no? Oh, yan, di ba? Okay, nag-support. tawag mo dito, nag-resistance, trying to establish a support, feeling ko mahuhulog to. Feeling ko this is gonna break down. This is gonna hold. Possible a very strong support is 0.5 area. Kung meron kang pera dito ka mga mag-set order. I don't think this will hold. I think possible it will go on this angle. Yeah, it's gonna go with this angle. Yan, there. Ito ang tingin kong angulo nito, pababa. Ayan. So, dito yan babagsak, aangat ulit, babagsak. So, yeah, parang feeling ko ganito mangyayari dyan. Yan, yan. Hindi talaga ako sanay sumakay, guys. Yan, ganyan. So, dito yung mag-strong. Ito yung malakas no? So, for XRP, ayan siya. Let's check that out. Okay. Alright, so tingnan natin ang mga stock market. Let's go first with the what's happening in the stock market today. Check natin ang ating historical. In fairness, yung internet, sumasakay siya ngayon. So, guys, check naman if can you hear me clearly? Okay ba? Like, hindi ba ako nade-delay? My voice is not trembling or anything. Okay lang ba? Yan. Alright. Check natin din. Okay, so also, nagsho-short din ako ngayon. Clear. Yun, thank you. Yan. I'm shorting as well, I'm shorting Nasdaq. 3 positions na ako ngayon. Naka 3 positions ako. Yan. Hanggang possible MA20, yan, naka-short ako sa kanya. So, if gusto nyo sabay lang. Okay. Thank you. Good evening. Yes, clear. Salamat. Alright. There you go. So, let's check. Okay, tingnan natin kung mag-hold tong support na to on the area ng tech stocks. Tingnan natin if it's gonna hold. Though so far, it's good. The momentum is good as well after the breakout. Then there is a short term nga na correction. So, wala pa naman volume, magkakaalaman yung later. Yan, check natin. So, let's check anong nangyari sa Invis. Yan. Yan, check. Okay. So, I mentioned that I'm position trading. Okay, position trading. If you're position trading, dito ka na lang kumuha. Hanap ka dito sa SPX 500 na magandang company na discounted. Tapos, bilhin mo. Tapos, position trading. Yun ang bilhin mo. Yun ang gawin mo. Na discounted pa siya. Wag ka basta-basta kumuha. Dito ka na kumuha. Mas sure pa. Wag ka na kumuha sa mga... Wag mo na kunin yung maraming utang. Sa ample ito. Hindi kumikita. Diba? O, pababa. Diba? Huwag mo kunin yung mga ganun. Yung mga overvalue. Yung mga sikat. Huwag mo kunin yung mga yun. Kunin nyo yung mga magaganda. Kasi pag nag-bounce yan, etong mga companies na rin na sa harapan nyo, ang unang-unang angat ng todo on the long-term perspective. But not all of this as well are good. Example na lang, no? Ito is doing good, pero kailangan mag-correct ng bongga, no? Hindi ko na to bibilin. Ito, hindi ko na to bibilin. I was actually wanted to buy this one last night Pero sabi ko parang itong breakout na to. Ayan. Pag nag-green candle to, possible. Pag nag-green candle to si Nvidia, example, nag-green candle to tonight or ano ba yan, before New Year, possible. Kasi malakas yung reversal. May reversal, may breakout, may moving average. Pag nagkaroon to ng green candle dito, bilhin natin. Bilhin natin siya, Nvidia. That's one. Pero, for trading, not for long term. Kasi masyadong overvalue na din siya. Mas magti-take profit sila than bibilin. No? Another one. Ano ba yung mga maganda? Actually, maganda na. Discounted talaga sa stock market ngayon. Ayan. So, definitely, what's gonna happen with the market is volatility. Sobrang lakas ng volatility mangyayari in the next coming days. First week, second week ng January. Check natin ang ating sectoral rotation. What's happening with the sectoral rotation? Isa-isayin natin to. Nasaan yung sectoral? Yun. Yan. Kaya, robot trading muna tayo, guys. So if you're part of the robot trading, better lang din. Here's the good news. Okay, here's the good news, guys. During the span mode, we're trying to ano na to perfect the shadow technique. So yung shadow technique natin, ito, abangan nyo to. Kasi nag-trade to ilan lang, November 17 to December 8. Yan, ito mo, growth. Diyan, December 8 na 228%. Abangan nyo to kasi i-automate, not really automate, i-automate yung filter, ima-manual trade mo pag nag-signal. Isa yan, next year. Supposedly, sasabihin yan. Here's another one. Shadow technique din, December 7, December 8, shadow technique, ilang days lang, 100%. Naglagay tayo dito ng how much? $1,000, kumita ng 25,000. So, ngayon, ginagawa na namin yung niraran na siya ngayon. Tapos tinaray ng on real money, which is I'm the one trading it. Nagawa ko ng dalawang account for this. Kaso lang, since wala yung kuryente, then hindi natuloy. So, sa start ulit yan first. I-run ulit to pag okay na yung mga connections and everything. Ito-trade na siya para may performance bago ibigay sa public, bago ibigay sa inyo. So, bago ibigay sa robot users. Kasabay ni Izanagi. So, si Izanagi, automate lang. Shadow technique tayo. Pag may magandang ano si Izanagi, let it do its stuff. But, meron tayong dedicated for super high risk, which is ito. Tuturo ko, ituturo ko to sa inyo. Ituturo ko paano to gawin perfectly. And maglalabas tayo ng isang na for shadow technique lang talaga. Yan, isang very exciting news for this one. Diba? But, 228%, just how many days lang. Wala pang 1 month, diba? So, isa, imisik ka. Okay. Check natin market again. Alright, the market is, let's check. Isa-isahin natin to. Where are you, market? What's happening here? It is SPX 500. Tagal natin to siya. Tagal natin itong mga indicator. Okay. Hanggang kailan kaya bear market ng crypto? That's a very good question. We can never tell eh. Kasi for me, the equity market or the stock market is also the same movement with the crypto market as well. So if people are pulling out from equity market, possible, same with the crypto market. Hindi nila ililipat. I don't think ililipat nila yung pera sa stock market to the crypto market. Kasi sa crypto market, wala kang valuation eh. Diba? Wala kang valuation to check everything is on speculation. So if the whole market is on a risk off, possible the crypto market will also be on a risk off. No, yun din yung isa. Another thing is this. Another insight is this. Okay, going back to the question. Ito. Okay. Oh, yan. Your dollar index. Ano ibig sabihin ng dollar index? Anong connection nito sa crypto market? Your dollar index is on the uptrend. Ano ibig sabihin yan? Lumalakas yung dolyar. Ano ibig sabihin yan? People, the money injected in the system for stimulus package or the Fed, no, is really starting to nagtatanggal na sila ng pera sa sistema. Kasi katulad ito, during the pandemic, no, ito yung pandemic na part, naglalagay sila ng pera sa sistema so bumababa yung value. Ngayon, nagka-uptrend na ulit, tinatanggal nila yung pera at some point. Saan nilalagay? Yun hindi natin alam. Yun yung kailangan natin alamin, saan nilagay. If hindi nilalagay sa crypto, hindi nilalagay sa stock market, yun yung kailangan natin alamin ngayon. Tingnan natin ng gold. Doon na nilalagay sa gold, di ba? Kasi lumalakas eh. Ibig sabihin, supply-demand. Kumukonti yung pera sistema and lumalakas siya. So, nagkakaroon ng risk of sentiment. The question is, bakit nagkakaroon ng risk of sentiment? Yun yung kailangan nating sagutin. At saan nilalagay yung pera? Diba? Yun yung question na dapat. So, syempre, sa Elite Club, alam na, at some point, mayroon kaming information kailan tatanggalin totally yung pera si sistema. Second, kailangan lang alaman ng Elite Club kung saan ilalagay muna. At kailan ulit ibabalik? Yun ang tanong doon. Kailan ulit ibabalik? Diba? So for now, yun nakikita natin. So nakikita natin, objective lang, dollar is going strong, meaning they're taking out volatility from the market. That's one. Second is the charts of the crypto market, bearish. Third, even the stock market, nagbe-break out but not too strong and overvalue. At some point, possible yan na mag-correct, totally. Yun, I hope that helps. That's actually on your question. Okay, let's go to the chart. This chart, okay. Tingnan natin to at the view from how is it gonna be for this year. Check muna natin here. 2021. So, una natin ang mga iba, ang healthcare. Where are you healthcare here? Yeah, healthcare. Nangyari doon, wala. Asang healthcare? Yun, okay. Healthcare. So, correction din. Ako, lahat correction. Discretionary. Maglo-load. Discretionary. Discretionary, okay. Discretionary resistance. Oh, resistance is discretionary. Wala tayong makikita ngayon, para shorting, Industrial. Resistance. Wala, di tayo resistance. Materials. Uy, materials is good. Check out materials, guys. Check out yung material sector. It's doing good. Why? Ito, isa rin to na point. Let's check. Let's check it out. Here. Yan. Look at this trend. It's this quarter. It's actually doing at par of the market in condition. So, parang siya yung nagpapa-breakout ng market in general. Okay, nag-breakout din siya on the general for material sector. For this year, it's trading below the market still on this SEM, but nag-breakout siya, Breakout siya. And very, very strong yung trend. So, look at the material sector. Medyo magko-correct lang to, but I'm gonna look at this as well. Parang yung rotation niya nandito na. At some point, dito baka mag-correct dito, biglang mag-breakout doon. So, you're gonna check this out. I'm gonna note on this. Let's check at financial sector. Financial sector, yun, okay. Financial sector, why is it nagda-downtrend na to? Financial sector is on the correction. Medyo overvalued na din siguro to. Let's check out kung ang financial sector is mag-hold on this area. Huwag muna natin tingnan ng financial sector. So, I'm looking at possible good trend on the material sector and not utility sector. Mabagalog to. Utility na to consumer. Ito, I actually mentioned this before, guys, no? The reopening of the market or the consumer discretionary. Yeah, no, the XLP. You check this out as well. Very strong momentum there. Baka tong magkaroon to ng short correction din mag-pull back ng todo. Why? Kasi nito, laki ng consolidation niya dito. Ang laki ng consolidation siya, no? This is a very, very wide consolidation. So, baka malayo, ano to? XLP. Yun. Tingnan natin yung XLP holdings. Check this out, Oh, yan, mga, ayun, no? XLP holdings. Ano ba tong XLP holdings natin? Consumer staples. Kasi isa din na insight, guys, is possible the market is actually putting their money in the dividends. Mga nagdi-dividends na. Kaya tingnan mo diyan yung mga mga Procter & Gamble. Sinabi ko na to before the ano, 'di ba? Yung mga dividend, malalaking dividend sa staples, naglalagay na sila, no? Ganda ng trend Kaya nagbulalagay na sila doon, no? We're gonna check on that, especially on these staples. Nandun sila, no? Ba't kaya? Kaya natin malaman yun, Energy stock, supposedly dapat December to. Check natin. I haven't checked on this as well. Come on. Ayan. Oh, energy, where are you? Come on, energy. Connected ba ako? Naglo-load. Sige, energy stocks. Weird. Energy, come on. Let's go. Energy. Energy stocks. Ayaw pa din, ha? Ayaw ni energy pakita, guys, eh. Communication. Energy. Let's go. Ayaw ng sectors, ha? Weird. Anyway, it actually did that, I actually, nakikita ko sa trend na malakas is your staples and consumer discretionary. That's one. Third is your material sector. Material sector is really doing good in terms of the trend. So maybe possible we're expecting a drive on that on the next 3 months. I'm gonna check as well the overall condition. I'm gonna report it also to the Elite Club na lang. Yan. Energy going down na rin. So ito, medyo energy stocks, bounce trade na lang tayo. Wag na lang i-full close todo. Meron din na iwan dito, no? Yan. So nakikita tayo ng mga tatlong market. Let's check it out one by one. Babombahin na natin tong tingnan natin tong mga sectoral na to. Yan. Yan. Hanggang kailan? Okay na ba? Good evening, clear. Okay, good. Thank you. Yan. Naglo-load siya. Alright. Lakas, oh. Pati ito yung Coca-Cola, oh. Kita nyo? Ayan. Tingnan natin to. So, ayan. Kung titignan nyo, guys. I think kailangan natin ng posisyon dito. Kuha tayo ng magandang trend nito for Coca-Cola. Pag nag-correct yung market, punta tayo ng mga staples na. Punta tayo ng mga staples na. PG. Nahin natin to. Let's go for dividends. Ganda ng PG, oh. Nag-momentum mo kong. Let's wait for a bigger correction on this market. Then let's go position on this one. Check for the staples. Kimberly Clark. Walang iba kong position din, ha. Mag-open na yung market, eh. Melly. Hindi ko na ito nakita din kasi. Okay pa naman. Okay pa naman siya. ADBE. Alright, so can you have your request now? We're gonna end this live around, ano ba tayo start? 9:30? 11 o'clock. Okay, let's go ADBE. Good pa to sa ADBE. Pero nasa below 200 na pala to sa ADBE. ERM. Let me know your stock requests. Check natin isa-isa. I'm still good with CRM, INTC. Especially on the mentioned sectors. Okay na to siguro. Okay pa to. Okay, ADA, TSM. Ito malakas to eh. Naghihintay lang to ng ano eh, no? Oracle, let's check natin yan. Beyond Meat. Yan. Beyond Meat. Okay pa to sa Beyond Meat. Chill lang yan. Hubs and Oracle. Sige, let's check out the Hubs and Oracle. There you go. Give me a green. Dadagdag tayo dyan. Hubs. HubSpot. Technology information. Yeah, okay. One to note is this is the strong support niya currently. It's doing a very, very sharp drop. Okay, sharp drop on your moving average. I really suggest na dito, abangan mo ulit siya dito. Kung magkaroon ng green candle, pasok. If you're doing a breakout trade, I don't think so. It may happen soon. Okay, tingnan natin. But if it did, pwede kang umentry. So, ngayon, nasa sa current condition niya, wag muna. On observe lang ka talaga muna. Kasi doing a massive drop there. So, kung punta siya dyan, karoon ng green candle, may be good for a test buy. No? Yan. Oracle. Thank you with this. Tingnan mo Tingnan mo to Kung di ko itinipi to dahil sa bagyo, malaki pa sana kinita ko lalo sa kanya. Tinipi ko dahil sa bagyo. Bad trip yung bagyo na yan ang laki sana ng pera ko dyan. Nakuha ko yung tuktok. Tuktok 41, 102.75. Dito, 102.75. It's here. Hindi ko siya kinuha. 4-hour chart. 4-hour chart. Dahil sa bagyo, ikinlose ko siya. 1.2.7. Dito ka siya kinuha, boy. So, supposedly, I'm earning a lot from it right now. So, 13% times 10. That's a massive money, supposedly. But hindi ko siya kinulose Kinulose ko siya dahil sa bagyo. Kasi walang internet. Sabi ko, kailangan ko na i-close yan. Baka mag-follow. Ubus pa yung pera ko. Wag na tayo paka-greedy. So, I closed everything. Kahit red, green, kinulose ko siya. Pero okay na lang. Yeah. Pero anyway, for Oracle, if you're shorting to Oracle, wag mo na siya, no? Wag mo na siya Alright, for Oracle, on natin Chidori. Ayan. So, walang gap to This is a close gap. Hindi yan gap. This is a close gap. So, walang gap na iniwan. So, ayan, yung pagkaiwan niya dyan, drop it. 13%, sarap no? Times 5. 50% of the position. Kano yun? Ayoko na mag-compute. Anyway. So, ngayon, it's on the support. Nasa support siya ngayon with low volume. There's a coming dividends play here. Check natin if it's gonna... Paano ito, Oracle? If it's go for a bounce trade. Tingnan natin kung pwede i-bounce trade to Ayun mga gusto natin i-bounce trade Kasi ang bagal ng data. Oracle Corporation. Okay. Alright, bounce trade. Pwede. Hindi pa siya pasok sa bounce trade. Hindi pa siya pasok sa bounce trade. Price action, hindi ko rin siya nare-recommend. Kasi maybe a green candle. Maybe a green candle will have a green candle close here. Possible short-term trade. Maybe a consideration. Yan, for this one. Testing. Vail SL. Vale non-energy materials. So you're on the right sector, material sector. You're on the right sector. That's a good pick. Let's check on the weekly chart. Ayan, good thing about Vail is actually trying to attack your MA moving average 200 on the weekly chart, meaning there's a possibility that long-term investors are currently on the eye level on this one. The only question right now is will it break next week? Okay, next week, no? On the daily chart, this week alone, First time yung tinamaan ng moving average 20. There is a support holding on this level. Okay, I would suggest na tingnan natin kung magkaroon to ng base here. I'm gonna put it here on my watch list. Let's put it on our watch list now. Tingnan natin kung magkakaroon ng base. Weekly chart is doing good. It needs to break out on this level to persist. That is actually long-term good. On the moving average 200. Tama ba yung moving average ko na yan? Is this a moving average ba to? 200 is yellow. Okay, good. 200 yellow. Okay, tama. Currently, observe natin. Pero sa potential trade, wag lang natin madaliin. Isa yan. Lagay ko na sa watchlist ko yan. Pag nakita tayo, trade natin. Stag Real Estate Investment Trust. Good also sector. Okay, I think pina-ano nyo to sa akin before because I have a chart already. Okay, it actually made a momentum supposedly. Nagkaroon na siya ng totally momentum. I would not suggest na habulin to. Okay, good thing din to because on the current condition ng market, nasa real estate pa siya. I would suggest wait for it to pull back a bit here before buying. So for now, let it go on its natural course of being momentum. Wala position, wag. Day trading, pwede kung kaya mo. No? Yan. I hope that helps. Pero good pick. BOM. Is. Hindi ko alam to. Ano ba yan? BOM, RD? Meron ba yan sa eToro niyan? Wala. Hindi ko alam yan, sir. Okay. Pakiayos na lang. Okay. Yan. Okay, so far, that's it. So, we're waiting the market to open. May mga position din ako like Docu. Tingnan ko si DocuSign. Oh, si DocuSign. Parang nag-false breakout to kagabi ah. False breakout nga kagabi. Okay. Sige lang. IDCC. Okay, check natin sa IDCC. IDCC. Wait, by the way, what's your take, guys, on the current Investagram news? That papabayad na sila ng may bayad na ang terminal nila to use the chart, no? Especially for PSE. Ako isang take ko doon, mas mawawala ng investor masyado PSE. Hirap na nga nang mag-invest sa PSE, no? Yung pa isa pa. Anyway, for IDCC, okay, this is also ano ba to? Telecommunication equipment. Hanggang kailan ba telecommunication equipment? Nakalimutan ko na. Tapos na ba to? Seasonality, parang di yata pa. Okay. For now, good thing about it is meron tayong nakikitang double bottom. Let's just wait for this is a double bottom here. So let's just wait for a breakout there. Kung magkaroon ng breakout there, possible an entry. Right now, it's not a good position to entry, but if you're an average, if you're a aggressive, pwede kang mag-entry on this level. Kung parang siya ng pullback here. Then cut loss below ka here. Then tingnan natin kung umangat. Okay? For sure buyers, wait for a breakout on that level. Isa yan. No? Yan. Okay. Tingnan natin ang mga major pairs sa Euro USD. Ito masarap i-trade mga Euro USD guys. Abangan mo lang sa mga nagmi-mean revert sa baba Ubos. During Asian session, mga 8 o'clock, mag-set order ka dito sa ilalim, no? If forex ka, no? Set order ka dito. Yan, set order ka sa mga ilalim na yan. Kasi nagko-consolidate. Tapos, London breakout angat. Kasi, makakuha ka sa ilalim yan, parang hindi na to bababa Yun yung point ko Parang, ito na yung pinakababa niya Nagko-consolidate na siya after a massive drop. Parang hindi na siya bababa. Makuha mo lang, okay na okay. Sarap i-trade. Pero I think makaka-trade na ulit ako. LTC Properties. LTC Properties. Pre-market, no data. Here, what I can see here is... Okay, there you go, there you go. Alright. Okay. It's actually a strong trend. Kung titignan mo, it's actually creating now a high low already here. Okay, and then it's trading above your moving average 50 already. Ang question na lang nito is etong ano na yan, magbe-breakout ba siya? Kaso lang, ang another challenge nito is may resistance na malapit. So, what's your play here? If I'm gonna try this one, actually may buy signal siya today. May buy signal siya kahapon. Check natin. Tingnan natin. Consider natin to. Ako dito pa just to be safe, just to be safe about this dito. Actually maganda yung sector. Pag nag-breakout dito tapos nag-hold dito ako kukuha. Kasi problem dito, kung i-trade natin yung breakout na yan, baka bumalik lang eh. Laking risk nun. So, tingnan natin kung i-hold tong line na to. Yung mga resistance na yan. Dito natin siya abangan. So, paangatin muna natin siya. Then, magkaroon ng hold dito sa next low. Doon tayo kumuha. Kung magtuloy-tuloy siya. Kasi marami pa tong pagdadaanan eh. May moving average 200 pa. So, isa yan sa mga consideration natin for this stock. Yan. I hope that helps. Mag-ano din ako. Magko-close ako other positions ko. INTC. Dami ko rin red pa eh, no? Bumalik na ako ng 10,000 eh. Gulat na ako pagkagising ko. Wala na. Balik na naman siya. Okay lang na makatlusan. Basta maalagaan na may profit, no guys? Okay. What else? Natin ang mga malalakas pang nasa tuktok. AMD. Short tayo. Ano tayo masya-short? Parang ito sa mga isa nakikita ko short eh. Parang pababa kasi market pa eh. Parang gusto ko mag-short na lang muna. Oh. Ayun, parang isa rin to eh. Oh. Kandidato. Tesla. Ito din, no? Kandidato for shorting. Sige. Kandidato for shorting, guys. Pag ito, hindi binirake out dyan. Patay yan. Ano pa isa? Ano ba yung mga nasa tuktok? Kahapon. May mga idea ba kayo mga nasa tuktok na pwede i-short? Quick profit, quick buck. Pwedeng iiwan overnight. Kasi parang walang bilihan ngayon eh. Parang lahat ngayon on the premise na reaction ng market eh. Ito, maganda to eh. Nako, parang mapapabili ako dito ah. Okay. Meron ba kayo nakitang company na medyo tuktok? Ano bang masa tuktok na sector? Healthcare? Healthcare sector. Healthcare, consumer retail. Na low market cap. Tingin tayo, scan tayo. Or pwedeng i-bounce trade. May kita kayo pwedeng i-bounce trade. Tagal ko hindi nakatingin ng market eh. Ayan na. Nagkakaanuhan na ng markado. TSM. TSM. 50 moving average. Technical RSI 40. 30. Ano ba dito? Volatility pattern. Tingin tayo dito. Oversold. Sa 20. Wala siguro 20. Parang 30 lang siguro lahat. Pwede i-bounce trade. Pwede i-short. Maglagay kayo guys on the chat box. Gusto kong pabili ni Disney Disney, are you making me want to buy you? Parang you wanting me to buy you. Sige na lang, bibili ko na si Disney. Bibili na ako Disney na lang. 350. Wala na, sinabi ni Disney, bili mo na ako. FB boss, FB. Ano tayo mga bounce trade? Quick back tayo, habang position trading. Facebook. Oh, Facebook is doing good Well, good thing, Facebook. Facebook is good. But not tonight. Wait. Pwede mag-add. Kung meron ka position ni Facebook, pwedeng mag-add. Pero ngayon ka lang po posisyon, medyo pa hindi kagandahan ngayon po posisyon Wala kang Facebook before, bibili ka ngayon, parang alanganin. Mag-add pwede pa. May nakita tayo reversal, breakout, retest, breakout, pero may resistance pa dito kung bibili ka pa lang, I don't recommend buying it. Bottom ka nakabili, good job. Hold mo na. Discounted pa si Facebook. Hold mo na si Facebook. Maganda pa yung earnings niyan. Magdagdag ka ngayon, pwede. Or ano siya, no? LSI. Oy. Tingnan natin. Parang malakas yung sector May nakikita ka ba ditong bearish na... May nakikita ka bang bear? Oo, meron nga. Bear. Flat. Hindi masyado Nag-breakout Nag-breakout Ito. Wala, weak na to wag to. Medyo problem dito. I-break out niya. Pero pwede naman. Tingnan natin ang Fibo. Hindi, may angat pa Reg may angat pa. Medyo kaka-breakout lang. Tayo sa sure. FCL. Medyo hanap pa tayo ng mas maganda-gandang conviction. Bounce trade. FCL. Ako, naman. Talagang binagsak ni FCL. Wasak. Energy stocks is on the rise. Sapat yan 12% down. Tingnan natin. 48, 21. Hindi na to pwede Wasak na yung momentum Bounce trade natin. Sige, check natin sa Fibo. Short term Fibo. Ay, pwede. Pwede may trade siya. Ayun sinalo Kita mo? Ayan, sinalo tingnan natin ngayon sa Kita mo sinalo, lupit kita mo doon. Wait lang, balik natin. Sana kanina. Parang sinalo sa daily. Pero kung crucial nito, kailangan problema kasi dito, kung pangit yung market kasi babagsak so pag ito hindi nag-hold. Ayan ang problema dyan. So ito kailangan mag-hold. Itong area na yan. Pwede mo i-trade to. Tingnan, trade natin. Gusto nyo i-trade? Tingnan natin kung mag-breakout. Sige, trade natin. Kung kaya, kung mag-breakout. Kung hindi. Ano pa? More into shorting Hanap tayo more into shorting. So, saan dito yung price level dito? 5.15. Tinalo ng ano, no? Ng short term na Fibo. Lakas na. O, nagre-resistance. So, yan. 3 minute. Bottom nabili. Good job. Oh. Napabili ako ng Disney. Ang ganda ng Disney ngayon. May mga bad trade din ako to. DFC. Yeah, okay lang yan. Wala pa naman. Breakout please. Meron ba tong ano? Meron ba tong malakas sa support? Problema ito, walang support sa weekly kahit monthly. Trading lang siya eh. Meron pala dun, no? Parang wala eh. Parang hindi tayo makakakuha nito ulit. Parang mahina yung support niya. Parang hindi kaya ito mag-breakout. Wag na to, baka wag natin pilitin. Baka masunugan pa tayong pera. Pero kanina sana, finibo mo na yung short term nun, pwede pa. Naked. O, ito, naked. Tingnan natin si Naked. Hubad na si Naked. May support dito, pwede. Okay. Trading na nga, trading. Wag long term ha, yung mga ganito dito nilo long term. Tingnan natin. Oy! Okay, pwede. Tingnan natin ang kanyang short term. Okay, pwede to. Okay, explain ko bakit. Una, okay, ito siya. Pwede to siya, pwede. On the daily chart, pwede tayong pumusisyon dito guys. So, tingnan mo. Candlesticks lang. Dito, yung low niya, tsaka yung open nito today, is nandun na siya, nagtitrade siya below there. So, kung mag-close na ng ganito, pwede tayo kumuha nito. Kuha ko nito. Okay, kailangan natin gawin na lang dito guys is magkaroon ng breakout dito. Once magkaroon ng breakout, kuha tayo. For now, abang. Abang tayo for Naked. Good thing kasi niya, candlestick niya on the chart, on the daily chart is ito, pinakita niya na yung low. Tapos nag-trade siya, nag-support tong level na to at to the opening. Once we see a breakout here, let's buy it. Pag wala, wag natin ipilit. Yan ibig sabihin yan. Okay? Isa yan sa mga gagawin natin. So maybe we can do I might do a ano here. Kuha ako dito ng ano siguro. Kuha tayo ng 5.21 5.24. Sige. Breakout. Tara pa ba ako? Breakout trade. Kukunin ko dito. 5.24. 5.24. 5.24. Yeah, 5.24. Pwede na. Ayan. BR. May pera pa ako. May pera pa ako. Sa mga set order. Ayun no, lakas ito. Oh. Sarap oh. Pero ayoko, nakakatakot. Mas naning shorting kasi dyan eh. BR. Technology information, what you can see here is resistance. What do you want to do here? Okay. For this one, breakout here. Hintayin natin sa EMA 5. Pag pumatong to na EMA 5, most likely, mapapabili tayo dito. EMA 5, EMA 10. Within the next few days, possible. Or breakout siguro. Low, though, ang ganda na siya. Pwede na siyang gawing pang low volatility. Hintayin na lang natin siya ng magandang pasok para sure. Ito ba yun? Broadridge. Yan. Hintayin natin. Nasa near resistance pa eh. Okay. Ayoko kanina eh. Nakita mo Sir Leonio. Ayun, sabi ko breakout oh. Kasi tingnan mo oh. Di pa sure yung market saan siya pupunta. Pero I'm really considering shorting Tesla. Sorry sa mga fan ni Tesla. Baka i-short ko to. Ayan na. Pinapakita na yung short na gusto ko. Let's go Tesla. Let's go Tesla. Break it down. Pag nag-breakdown to, baka short ko to. Ayan, no? WDC, anong meron? Bakit? Anong meron kay WDC? Ayan, nakita mo, no, Sir Texon? Kaya hindi ko pinilit. Walang conviction sa weekly chart. Sa monthly chart. Wala tayong pangahawakan. Fixed trade lang siya ng daily. Trading below up. WDC. Oh, galing WDC. Elite Club. Congrats. Ako wala. Ako yung wala nito. Hindi ako wala nito. Tingnan natin dito. Sige, tingnan natin to. Ito, analyze natin sa WDC. Bakit ito umaangat? Yan, a very, very good performance din. Okay. So it was reported on the Elite. This was reported on the Elite Club, no? Ayan, meron wait for the trend to finish. Ako yung wala. Ba't nga ba wala ako nito? Start buying here. Meron to sa Elite Club eh. If you're holding this one, congrats. 95% green dotted line. So, congrats sa mga nakakuha nito. Buti pa kayo, no? Anyway, bakit anong meron dito? Let me explain. Hindi ko kasi kayang kunin lahat. Pero meron ba ako sa kabila nito? Check ko nga. Baka meron ako sa kabila. Let me check. Okay. One thing, is ito yung sinasabi ko. Thank you for this, Sir John Ilo, for emphasizing this one. Because this is really one thing that we need to know as investors. Tingnan ko kung meron ako nito. Parang meron yata ako nito. Wala. Shit, wala ako. Sayang. Nalilito na kasi ako. Dami ko kasi import eh. Sayang. Ako yung wala. Ulit-ulit yung binili ko. Anyway, alright. So, one thing that we need to... Let me focus on this one, no? This one. Okay, let me just go back to the report nitong Elite Club nito. WDC. Stay away ng mga, stay away dun sa mga... Ito. Yan. Okay. Ganda naman ito. Ganda ng interface ni Elite Okay. W. Yan. Okay. Una, kasi sinasabi ko, if company is doing good when it comes to dito, WDC, meron yan eh. Meron to explanation. Anyway, una, may explanation siya. Kasi first, WDC has been very good when it comes to its earnings. Nagkaroon lang to ng konting problem when it comes to their forecasting ng supply. That's why nagkaroon siya ng catalyst and waiting for that catalyst. Once yung si WDC is really kumbaga the current situation ng problem, nagkaroon ng emotional selling, then waiting for new investors to come, then good thing. Yun yung nangyari sa kanya at some point. So, kung titignan natin yung earnings ito, if we're gonna break down the current potential ni WDC, ito yung nangyari sa kanya. So, on the September 25, it was released on the Elite Club. Nawala yung explanation kung bakit. But the point here is we want you to start buying on the very, very strong support. Kung titingnan mo, no, tingnan mo, doon talaga siya pumunta. Boom, ayun, no, start buying. Ako yung hindi nakabili. Bakit ganun? Okay. Masyado ako nakatingin sa China market. Nakalimutan ko to. Shucks. Anyway, let me emphasize this one as well. Ito yung sinasabi ko na part na position trading. We really need to look for this kind of companies together. Kasi kung titignan mo, kahit bumagsak at babagsak, aangat yan as long as the company is performing. As long as the asset is making money, as long as the company is earning to their products. So how do you check it, no? Una, marami kasi yan, hindi lang yan revenue, hindi lang yan. Kasi pwede kumikita si company, example, Evergrande. Okay, Evergrande in China. They're making money eh. Oh, they're making money sakto lang. Pero bakit sila na bankrupt? Because what they're reinvesting money is utang. So hindi lang siya dapat revenue, cash flow, marami kailangan tingnan as well. O titingnan natin, balik natin to ah. The fair value initially was 70, pero doon na siya, hindi na siya discounted at some point, no? If i-review natin financials ni Western Digital on the current situation lang, tingnan muna natin, no? At the very minimal lang na siguro na tingin. Okay? Very minimal lang tingin. The company is starting to make money na. From a negative perspective, it's doing money in billions. Diba? Isa rin yan, no? And their expenses, EBITDA, no? Expenses, and the income tax, and all those stuff is increasing as well. Okay? At the same time, and in balance sheet nito, kung titignan mo, it's from net income niya, it's starting to do very good and a consistent revenue. So kahit bumagsak yan, as long as the company is making money, aangat at aangat yan at some point. Free cash flow is very increasing as well. I mean, on the tip of the iceberg for WDC, makuha mo siya on the very, very good. This can happen to your portfolio. Nakuha mo siya at the very strong support, like what on this diagram here. Nakuha mo siya on the green dotted line. Boom! You're already making money right now. 32% up na isa mong part ng portfolio mo. Kasi hindi dahil bumabagsak siya, tapos may conviction ka, may rason kung bakit makikita mo at some point kung bakit siya bumabagsak muna. Anong possible na umangat sa kanya? Ano ang niya sa other companies na kalaban niya? You're gonna be confident eh. Kahit mataas yung market. Yan yung sinasabi ko na mag-position trade na tayo and wait natin yung bagsak ng market. Kasi pag nagbumagsak yung market, ang unang aangat yung mga nasa ilalim. I want to emphasize this point. Okay, ito na lang. Okay, ito na lang. Ito. Bigyan ko kayo ng dalawang senaryo. I want to emphasize before we go. Kasi 10:49 na rin eh. Let's have a review. Wala naman tayong mabili. Mag-short lang din naman ako. Okay, una sa lahat, ganito siya, no? The market is already here. I want to emphasize this point. Kasi gusto ko tayo lahat, 100% port tayo next year. Yun ang gusto ko mangyari sa atin. Okay. The market is already at this point. Yan. Andiyan na siya, pababa. Pababa yung market. Gusto ko mag-correct. Okay? May dalawang stock. Isang napakagandang stock na nasa tuktok na, pero maganda pa rin siya, no? Maganda. Sumasabay sa market pababa. At isang magandang stock dahil sa negative impact nasa papuntang support very particular. Very good companies, very good, A or B. This is A company, this is B company. Ito yung gusto ko i-emphasize na point, guys. Okay? Dalawang good companies, paano natin magagamit yung magandang companies? Making money, okay? Good revenue, good cash flow, good debt, good all. Ito lang, meron bad publicity. Ito walang bad publicity. Lahat check. market is already at some point very, very overpriced. Ngayon, na-realize ni market, masyado na akong kailangan mag-take profit na ako. Bumagsak yung market. Syempre ito babagsak yan kasi ito yung overvalue eh. Ano tingin pag ngayon si market nag-bounce, sino tingin niyo una magba-bounce? Yung nandito na okay na yung yung bad publicity or ito na nagsa-start pa mag-correct? Saan niyo ang point ko, sino yung mga unang bibilin ng mga millionaire or yung mga market makers? Syempre, etong undervalue not making money, same sila. Okay? But naayos yung bad publicity, then ito na yung mababa. Ito na yung mababang presyo. Ito syempre magko-correct pa yan eh. Hindi ito papansinin. Ito na, dito na. So ito yung nangyayari kaya ngayon kay WDC. Ito yung isang point na nangyayari kay WDC ngayon. Tapos sa bad publicity niya, they realize that he's making money. They're buying it on this here, papunta siya sa pataas. Yan yung nangyari, yan yung possible mangyari sa ibang stocks na pag nag-correct yung market, yan din yung unang aangat. So huwag niyo nang pansinin yung mga nasa tuktok. Yan yung nasa ilalim. Yun ang gusto kong sabihin sa yun ang gusto kong makita niyo guys, no? Yan. Okay, let's go to Canaan. Alright, so ito. Nasa ilalim. Bakit siya nasa ilalim? Yun ang tanong. Bakit nasa ilalim to? Tingnan natin. Semiconductors. Wow, sige. Semiconductors. Tingnan natin. Okay, can. Okay. It's on the support right now. Sige, tingnan natin. Value check natin to. Value check. Support. We can check on support. Nasa ilalim, no? Sa ilalim siya ngayon. Below 200. Tingnan natin tong area na yan. Okay. Tingnan natin dito. Bara natin konti. Tingnan natin ng konting pataphaw. Yung valuation. Pero galing, no? Kung meron ka ba nito, Sir John? Buti ka pa, ha? Buti ka pa, naka-well diverse. Ako, hindi masyado na. Konti na lang. Pero sayang. Siyempre, hindi mo mabibili din lahat, eh, no? So, fair value is, at some point, fair value is 56% discount. Check natin ang current potential nito. Uy, grabe to guys, ha? Ayan. Ayan ang rason. They're not making money. So, hindi ko bibilin to. Revenue is declining a lot. Yun yung kailangan natin malaman. Ano yung bakit nagde-decline siya? 3 taon pa yan na nagde-decline. Cash flow is good. Balance sheet liabilities increasing. So, pataphaw pa lang nakikita ko. Ayoko na sa kanya. Kasi though nasa support siya, tradable, hindi ko siya bibilin. Kasi it's not making money. So, possible trading. Ite-trade ko to. Ite-trade ko siya. Kaso lang ngayon, hindi pa siya tradable. Kasi, may nakita tayong pangit na double top. So, magkakahulugan pa to. Hindi natin yan kukunin. Congrats ito, ha. Natin ito sa Elite Club report yan. Alam ko eh. Tingnan natin nga. Sa club ba yan? Check natin, ha. Nasa watchlist ba natin yan, guys? Elite. Hindi ko kasi kaya rin bilhin lahat na nasa Elite na watchlist, eh. Nasa Elite ba to? Check natin. Nasa Elite ba to, guys? Nasa Elite to, no? Alright, so it's 6 minutes before we go. Let me just check yung ating Elite Club na ano dito. Premium watchlist. Okay, so December. So, patapos naman na tayo. So, check natin tong December. I think the September yata ito na report, no? Sorry, nawala. November, ayun. Nasa November nga, di ba? Ayun, tama. Buti mo. Tapos meron pa siyang catalyst, no? May nilabas pa akong catalyst for WDC, di ba? Kalimutan ko eh. Basta about their earnings and something, no? Kasabay ng ATVI. Yan. Ayun. WDC. Once you hit your target, take profit yun na to, guys, ah. Sayang eh. Kasi fair value na din siya eh. Pero kung gusto niyo yung momentum, pwede. Ayun. 14% November 30, April 12. So, nakuha nyo na yung ano, pwede nyo nung i-sell half. So, November date, November 30, April 12, 14% from November 12. So, you're up already. November 12 is here. Grabe, sarap naman ito. Aangat talaga siya, no? Tapos, ang ganda pa ng company. So, kuha mo talaga tong buong to. Very, very good. It's trading above the, ano. So, ito advantage ng Elite Club, guys. No? You have premium watch list. Ito na lang sa isang sample. November 30, April 12. November 30 is where? Kung nakuha nyo yung target, bawas na. Ito. Oh, over target na. Over 18% na tayo. From the current price, I suggest bawas-bawas na for WDC. Yan. Ayun. Tingin niya ako na pwede matrade. Mga hindi pa na-hit yung target. Yung mga today, yung mga possible, ito. Itong dalawa. Macy's. December 27. Ito, maganda rin company to. Check tayo. Shopify. Uy, sarap ng Shopify, 60%, oh. Shopify, guys, oh. 65%. Excellent. Check natin si Shopify. Baka pwede natin makuha to. Buy date is September 22. Tingnan natin kung pwede pa itong mahabol. 62%. Tingnan natin valuation din para baka maano dito. December 22, nagko-consolidate ba siya? Hindi. Kaso sell date nito is May 15 pa. So you need to wait for May 15 if to at par for that, for the cut loss. So far, for Shopify is December 27 is here. 27, oh, dito siya pinabili. Okay, check natin ang Shopify na earnings. Natin. O, Shopify. Lakas na na. Shop. Yan. Shopify. Shopify. Ba't wala? Ayoko na kasi bumili ng overvalue companies eh. Yun kasi yung iniisip ko. Yun din isa. Yung congrats. Shopify. Shop. Ba't nawala dito yung Shopify natin? Ito ba to? 1,378 ba to? Ito nga. Wala nga iba. Ito lang. Shopify Inc. registered. Ba't iba siya, no? 1,003. Mal! 60% premium. So, trade nyo lang to, 862 ang fair value. Pero okay naman, Chen. Okay naman. Kuha lang kayo ng magandang presyo. Pababain nyo. Huwag nyo bilhin yung buy date. Huwag nyo bilhin buy date nito. I would suggest ito yung gagawin natin sa Elite Club, guys. May sa buy date niya, pwede natin kunin ng momentum or position trade. I would suggest buy it at around this area here. Hintayin natin yung massive correction. Dito natin bilhin 1,200 level para makuha natin yung maximum potential hanggang May. Kasi ang selling date sa club, selling date ni Shopify is May 15 pa. So most likely, if the market will correct this January, February, makuha natin to. Itong mga to. Yung iba dito na magandang posisyonan. Ayan, di ba? Yun, okay. Alright, so yun. I think that's it. Dami ba dito? Barrick Gold. Tingnan ko dito Barrick Gold nga natin. Barrick Gold. Gusto ko rin makita si Barrick Gold. Ayan. Baka bumili ako nito. Bibili siguro ako. Bibili siguro ako nito ngayon. Hanapin natin yung trade. Hanapin yung to ng ano guys, ng position. Baka mag-test buy siguro ako nito. Barrick Gold. Meron bang buying? Wow, isa kahit 150 lang. Go Gold, Barrick. 100. Pag nag-confirm, bili tayo. Okay, bakit ko to bibilin? First is precious metals. Second is usually December 22 onwards. Harvest season ng mga harvest season ng mga mineral companies. So, technically may support naman. Nasa support siya. Pero maliit na position lang yung pang bibili ko sa kanya. Alright, so lang. Anyway, ang binili ko today is Disney. Times 5 ba to? Times 1 lang ang Disney. Elite Club, alam nyo bakit, di ba? Ay nako, dapat may isang port ako pang Elite Club lang talaga, no? Elite Club lang. Anyway, so that's it for tonight. I'm so really glad na nagkaka-live ako tonight. Tomorrow I'll have another one. I'm gonna use a laptop lang tomorrow. So at least tomorrow we're gonna have something good. Hopefully, magkaroon tayo dito ng pwedeng pag-usapan for tomorrow. It's 11 o'clock in the evening. Let's double check what the market is giving us before we go. So right now, the market is still trying to correct, but not too much. Some are still holding. Some is still very, very good. Holding at the top. Huwag masyadong mamili. Better talaga to really short at this point. Also, if the market will actually be like that, I really suggest guys to really put your money on a diversified mode. One that you can actually potentially put into is our Izanagi. So our Izanagi is really doing good from this 1 year. It's 280%, no? Hindi lang small money yung nilagay natin dito. We actually put around, it's actually earned around 200,000 this year alone. Hindi lang siya $30, tapos binroadcast 200%. We actually put also big money on our Izanagi. And look at this. We also have clients who actually building in Izanagi at around ₱1 million. No? ₱1 million lagay siya. July so far, to. Naglagay siya ng 1 million kay Izanagi. So 3%, imagine mo matumal pa to kay Izanagi. Matumal pa Izanagi. October 26 to 2 months. So is earning around 20,000 per month so far. It's doing good na rin. Okay na rin ako doon 20,000 each month for ₱1 million for Izanagi. So yun yun, maganda din kailangan natin. Yan, isa din, no? So that's one you can diversify your money into, guys. So, yan. I'm sorry kung Yadler XTZ, di ko na to makita. Tomorrow we're gonna have another one. And the end of the year, we're gonna prepare for that live. At least may internet na tayo, guys, no? So, I'm gonna see you again tomorrow. Thank you so much for tuning in for tonight. I was really glad to see you guys. Have a nice day and good. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.